No, it's never too much whipped cream.
Just a little bit too much.
Fine, fine for you.
Oh, she's trying to grab some crust.
Oh, you know that's
Yeah.
I don't waste whipped cream like that.
That's where I go for it. Looks to be like like the wedding reception, you know? Oops, that's too
Making moves, making moves.
She's getting
happy again.
Why are all these people looking at me? Is there something I don't know?
Thank you.
Jane, Uncle Donnie says, hey, you get your own pie, you have no idea how sweet that is.
Jerk.
Yeah, you can have more. You already have a whole pie. You can't have more.
Yeah. Be really gentle about it, though.
Tiny sliver.
I don't think she recognizes that she can get in farther than that. What is that, Jane?
Good pumpkin pie, honey.
Jane.
Not a fan.
Not really.
Jane.
You trying to see if maybe you like pumpkin pie?
Yeah, I've never tried it before.
Okay. Is it the look or just the...
I don't know, I just never have tried it before, I guess. I don't know. We've never had it in my family.
Okay.
There you go. Oh, thank you.
Go, Mommy, more
Thank
for
you. Thank you.
Burger and pie. Yeah, make a mess.
Oh, look at that piece. Look at that.
Cheryl, how many pumpkin pies have you made, do you think, in your life? And more apple or more pumpkin?
Apple.
More.
I would say more apple because you probably only have pumpkin during like Thanksgiving, but you can always have apple,
Yeah.
right?
Is that yummy?
Yeah,
Is that good crust?
May I have the whipped cream, please?
It'd be great if you just shoot it like silly string.
What's that?
It'd be so great if you shoot that stuff like silly string. Open up.
There you go, Jane.
Oh yeah, we're getting there.
As the light switch goes off.
Yeah.
That makes me want to do it though.
Have a pumpkin pie bath.
If we can make sure though the plate doesn't go on the floor.
Yeah.
I mean,
Yeah.
fine, I just...
She's pushing it off right now.
Good disaster do for you.
There you go. Oh, what did you pull out?
She's like Inspector 34. She's so at it. Come on.
What?
Thank you.
Oh, you guys have to borrow that
You want a piece, right?
Pete and Pete, yeah.
Oh.
We have that on our DVDs.
Season 1 or 2? Season 2?
Season 2, I think.
Do they have season 1 that you can get too?
You guys gave me one or two things.
Yeah.
no, sure, you can buy,
We conveniently gave you the one that we don't have.
You can put that for Christmas.
I don't like cookies. We have a
What's
dog.
your favorite show that we watch?
I Yeah, I asked that.
The dog is around. Dia.
Or the medalist.
What's your food?
Medalist.
Yeah.
Although it's not as fresh and as amusing as it used to be.
What's it called? The medalist?
Thursday, 10 to 11, CBS.
I do like NCIS. They have very good characters on it.
I like the second one. Also.
I don't.
Actually, you think about
Your screen on your
How
camera
did
is
she
really
get
nice.
pumpkin behind her head?
She's flinging it like this.
Sorry, Mom. You gonna eat that?
Yum.
Do you just like how can I get in on
I'll just stand here maybe.
My birthday too.
Awen's up in there, huh?
Almost.
Awen? She went up
Look,
and Dia.
Ewan, Dia came in and got it.
Sneak up and then. Awen. Awen.
Now it's a doggy pumpkin pie.
Are you gonna eat some of your pumpkin pie?
She just said more, which is ridiculous. Because she has an entire pumpkin pie in front of her face.
Do you know how many people around the world are?
Well, you have it right here. This is ridiculous. Take your hands into it and eat it.
Amy. Amy.
Yeah.
It's not ridiculous.
Why not?
She's a princess.
She's
Yeah,
trained-
she's
trained
not a-
properly. She's used to like British utensils.
I can't believe I'm feeding this to her with a fork.
No. We went for Indian food on Sunday, and there was this Indian couple there, and they were just eating their like bhag and bardi or whatever with their fingers, like this messy, sloppy stuff. So we started doing it. It was fun.
The boys started
Liberating
doing
us
it.
to use the fork.
Is that yummy? Yummy, yummy,
She
yummy.
doesn't even look at you when she takes the food. She looks like straight at
You're a little bird.
Gotta make this messy somehow.
You always like the airplane.
Yeah.
You have more. You know how to eat with your hands.
There we go.
You should have fun at my expense.
People are seriously what you need.
What? Would you like more?
I wasn't. Your eyes don't look very happy there, Tom.
No, wipe it off her face and give it to
There
her.
you go. There you go. Good job.
I think you should.
I can't deal
I don't
with
know
it.
that you should eat too much more of that.
I know, really.
Looks like she's getting tired.
Sugar and
buyers, these people that you know that are giving you a lower offer on your house than you wish they would. You could make them an apple pie and put like a bunch of chili powder in the crust. Just saying.
He likes to mime you.
No?
Oh, Jane, are you gonna be a class clown?
See, Jane, this is supposed to be fun. You're supposed to have fun doing this. I'm gonna make this all for you. I'm gonna need some crust, okay? Get some of that crust in there. Crust is so good. I'll let her bite off of the front of it. Yeah, let's see. That's no crust. How about pure crust?
Ernie, does Westinghouse actually make the TVs that they sell? Or are they all made at the same plant and
Stamps with a different logo on them.
yeah.
They're not made in the U.S. They're made in China. Yeah.
So like the same place builds all the TVs, puts Samsung on some, Westinghouse on others. Sony on
That's a good
others,
question.
or-
I don't know. That's a whole other part of the company. I have no affiliation with them. Not sure. Based on that documentary we watched about Walmart and stuff, I would say it's different.
Did she hit herself?
Yeah. Right.